Hi everyone, it's Shell here from Designs by Shell. Thanks for joining me today. Today I'm going to share a card with you. I guess it's like a note card. It could be a birthday card or a card basically to do with a change in someone's life maybe. The saying I used on there says, "The winds of change bring treasures unknown, embrace change." And that is from this little stamp set here. It's Close to My Heart stamp set, and it's got some really pretty seed flower designs on there. It's got lots of little sayings on it. "You are my sunshine," "Trust your heart," and then some of these spiral sayings. And this is the one I used here for this particular card. And yeah, it's a really cute set. So that's where I got the idea for this card here. So I'll show you here what I've done. I've used rectangle dies in 3 sizes here with the stitched background. I've used this little circle scallop die cut here, or die, sorry, here, and cut out for this shape right here. And that's the one I stamped the little message on. I stamped a little tiny seed flower on that as well. And then on one of the rectangle dies, I stamped a larger seed flower on there with a stem, and used some stickle to sparkle it up a little bit. And I thought it turned out really pretty. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I put one of these together. Okay, so I'm ready to go here. I've got the first large rectangle die cut that I've used on this kind of wood grain soft look paper here. And so we're going to put that on for the first layer. You could choose a darker background if you like. Doesn't really matter. Just something that's kind of soft, I think is nice for this. So there's that. Then the next layer I've got here is this kind of white with kind of muted greens on here. And that's going to be our second layer here. Now you could turn this whichever way you like. On my other card I did it this way. I think I'll keep it the same, the green on that on the right side. Let's get that centered there. And this is the adhesive tape that I usually use on the back here, just if you're wondering. Just a roll that I picked up at Michael's, I think. All right, and I've got the seed flower stamped on there with the nice dark stem on there. And then center this. There we go. And then I've got the message that I put on here: "The winds of change bring treasures unknown, embrace change," and then the little seed flower on there. So let's get some adhesive on here. Like so. And then we'll just kind of choose where you want to place it. Just kind of like to cover the stem just a little bit. And there we go. And then I'll bring in the stickle that I used to dress up this seed flower here, and just put a little around. I've got kind of a thicker one, gold one here, and then this is a lighter, a bit softer one. This one doesn't come out as well, so hopefully I can get it working here. I think it's just getting a little empty, but I like the look of this one because it's just a gentle little shimmer. Doesn't take too much to do, and you can just kind of be random with this, sort of just wherever you like to see it sparkle. There we go. So that's how I finished that off. And then I'll bring the other one back in and let you have a good look there. So I hope you enjoyed that, and maybe that gives you some inspirational ideas to create a nice card like that of your own. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.